Hi Wonder Class and welcome to our first ICT lesson virtually. In today's lesson we are going to be looking at how to use Microsoft Teams, how to access it, how to find our assignments, how to have conversations. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your desktop. Maybe that's your computer, your laptop, or your iPad, whatever you're using at home. So I'm using my laptop, so I've logged onto my desktop and now I'm going to find my web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. So I'm clicking the link Google Chrome and this brings me to this page here. In my search bar, I am then going to type in Microsoft Teams login, spelt Microsoft space TEAMS space LOGIN, and then I'm going to press enter. It should then bring you to this page. So you click the first link at the top, which says login to Microsoft Teams. This will then bring you to this page, which then allows you to click sign in. Here I will be able to log in. So for you guys in Wonder Class, you will need to enter your first name, full stop, and your last name at Langley Academy Primary. Click next, and then you will be able to enter your password. Now, once you've signed in to Microsoft Teams, this is where you can access all of the things such as learning and assessments. So before it allows you to go onto the page, it asks you if you would like to get the Windows app or use the web app instead. It's totally up to you. The Windows app does make it faster to log in. However, you can use the web app instead. So I'm just going to select use the web app. So now I am online. So in my Teams folder, I can see on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see chat, activity, Teams, assignments, calls, and files. So here you'll be able to see when there is a meeting happening, a lesson that you're meant to be on. So I am going to click on my assignments. So here you will see the assignments of your reading challenge, which have been put up on Microsoft Teams for you. So this is just a quick run through of how to use Microsoft Teams. I can click calls. If I was to call Miss Kingma, this button is to show video and this button is to show the calling symbol. I'm just going to take us through to a different page. So I'm going to show you guys this. So this is just what I've gone through already. So you log in on a desktop or laptop using any web browser. You type in Microsoft Teams, which will then allow you to sign in. You sign in using your first name, full stop, and your surname at langleyacademyprimary.org, and then you enter your password. It will then ask you if you would like to use the web version or download the app, which is entirely up to you. Then you get onto the virtual joining of the classroom, which is where you'll be able to see if your teacher has started a virtual classroom. You'll be able to join at any time by clicking the join button in the red circle. So when you're using your camera and microphone, a red circle is the camera function. Make sure that it is off. You need to make sure your microphone is also off as it can disturb the rest of the lesson. That's during the lesson. Obviously, if you need to ask a question, you can use the chat function or unmute, which is where the yellow circle is, if your teacher instructs you. So if you do need to say something, you can. All questions are kept in the team after the lesson is over. How to use the chat function. So you can see this icon over here in red. This is this button opens the meeting chat on the right where you can ask your teacher questions. So on the right, you will then see meeting chat. It will say reply. So you can type your message in here and click this arrow here in the red circle, which will send the question to myself. So here I can set work for you to complete. You will see a new notification every time I set work for you, which is circled in blue. By clicking on this notification, which is just below here, this will be able to bring up your work page for you. You'll be able to click on the assignment and access the task. You can complete the task and then save your work. And this is how I'll be able to then access your work and mark it for you. So I hope you guys have found this helpful. Make sure you have a go at using it, and I will see you later. Take care, everybody.